Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a book using the program Story Jumper. First, you will log in here in the corner. It's a free site, so creating a username and a password is very simple. Go ahead and log in. Down here, you'll click on the tab that says Create a Book. It gives you the choice to choose from books that have already been created, or you can create your own blank book. I'm going to go ahead and choose the blank book option. Once the book comes up, you'll notice over here on the left hand side is your text box. Down here is your blank pages, and you have 16 pages to work with, and that's not including your back cover, your front cover, and your dedication page. I'm going to go ahead and start with the front cover. So I click on the front cover. It's pretty simple to change the color. I'm going to go with purple. If you want to change the pattern, you can go down here and change the pattern. To create your title, you just simply click where it says title and write in your title name. Down here you can add your name, or the student can add their name. And then if you want to add a picture, you'll click off the text boxes and you'll come over here and it says props or photos. Props are pictures like clip art that the program already has installed. You can go to more props and it gives you more options at the top. If I'd rather add a photo, I'll click on photo, and then it'll give me the options of photos from the internet. So I'm going to search panda bears. And here are all the pictures that came up when I searched panda bears. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. So I'll click it. And it's going to give me the choice of a scene or a prop. A scene will be the entire page. A prop will be small, one that you can crop and adjust. I'm going to go with the prop. So I click that. That's what I want. So I'll hit the check mark. And then it adds my picture. I'll hover over it to where there's a hand to move the picture to the center of the page or wherever I'd like it, and then I readjust the size. Once you get it to where you would like it, you can go ahead and move on. The next page would be your dedication page. To simply add your dedication, you click in the text box and add your dedication. The next page, if you want to move on, you simply click down here at the bottom, and then you can add whatever you would like. If you want to go ahead and start your book, you can start it here, or I'm doing a nonfiction book, so I would probably have my kids do a table of contents. So to do a table of contents, I would start by adding text box. I would click on the word text up here. I just want an empty text box, so I'd go ahead and click the big text box, and then I would add my title. Once you have your text that you have added, you can simply come over here and align the text. I want it in the center, and then I can adjust the text box. I like the text a little bit bigger, so I'll make it a little bit larger, and then I'll move it to the top to make my title. If I'd like to add another text box, I would just simply click another text box, and that way I can continue to type. To continue to do this throughout the rest of your book is you just simply add text box, or to insert pictures you can go to props or scenes or photos, and that'll help decorate and get your book finished. This is an example of my finished project. You can simply just click on the pages and you can see what you've created. You can see you can add photos to each page, you can make words bold, you can add captions, you can create your own diagram, you can find diagrams off the internet, and that is how you create a book using Story Jumper.